Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today we will start a new theme of this book, and that is vegetables are healthy. So, today we will start this video session by singing a beautiful rhyme, that is vegetables. For this, open your book of rhymes, and go to page number 27. Let's start. Sing with me. Chop, chop, choppity chop, cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What there is left, we will put in the pot. Cook it up and make it hot. Okay, students, now repeat this rhyme. Chop, chop, choppity chop, cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What there is left, we will put in the pot. Cook it up and make it hot. Yes, student. Now move to next session. In this session, let's talk about today's theme. Tell me, do you like vegetables? Do you know, students, vegetables are very healthy for our health, and it is important for fitness. Students, we eat different vegetables like potato, onion, peas, capsicum, spinach, etc. Students, today we will discuss benefits of vegetables. First is potato. Students, what is the color of potato? Potato is brown. Health benefits of potato: promote weight gain and skin care and easy to digest. Okay. Now, second is tomato. Tomato is red. Health benefits of tomatoes: rich in vitamins and minerals and good for skin and hair. Next is peas. Peas is green. Peas good source of protein and it's immunity booster. Okay. Next one is onion. Onion, health benefits of onions: hair growth, enhance brain health, etc. Now, spinach. Improve digestion, nourish the eyes. Okay, students. Now, dear students, open your book, I Can Beginners Book 5, and go to page number 14 and 15. Students, you can see in the first step a farmer the seed. After that, he is watering and taking care of his vegetables. After that, when the vegetables are ready, he is cutting and plucking the ready vegetables to sell in the market. These food items reached in the market, where we go and buy it from different places. After that, we came back at our home and enjoy these vegetables. This is how we get vegetables at our home, or how vegetables reach to us. Now, students, yes, student, go to page number 16. Here we have an activity. The activity name is vegetable pieces. Students, match the vegetables with vegetable pieces. Like, first vegetable is mushroom. Now match the mushroom piece. Okay, students? Dear students, in the previous session, we had revised letter from A to R. Let's revise again. Apple, ant, airplane. B, balloon, bee, beer. C, cat, carrot, cow. Yes, students. Now letter D. Drum, dog, dove. Now next is E. Egg, elephant. Next is F. Frog, fish, fox. G, grapes, grasshopper, girl. Now next is H, horse, hare, house. Next is I, eyes, ice cream, iguana. Now next is I after J, jester, jelly, jellyfish. Next is K, king, kangaroo. Next is L, lamb, lion, lemon. M, mama monkey, mama mouse, mama mushroom. Next is N, nest, nun, nest. Next is O, owl, O, octopus, O, orange. Next is P, parrot, potato, pig. Next is Q, queen, quail. Q after R. R is rat, rattle, rainbow, rabbit. Now next is students. Today we are going to learn a new letter. That letter is S. Now we will revise the pronunciation of letter S by checking the following images. First is S, ship, soap, star, snake. Okay, students. Now I have a video for you. In this we will learn letter S sound through my Study Gear app. In this session, we will once again revise numbers and learn about a new number, and that is number 7. Number 7. Okay, students? But first we will revise numbers from 1 to 6. Here we have one lemon. One lemon. Now here we have candles. Now count it 1 and 2. 2 candles. Here we have 3 balloons. Count it 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons. Here we have some balls. Now students count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls. Here we have mangoes. Now count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 mangoes. Now 6 apples. Students, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, students. Now there are 7 apples. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, students. Now revise again and again at your home. After that we will sing a rhyme. The title of the rhyme is 7 Days through My Study Gear app.
Seven days. It is just 7 days left for a holly holiday. It is just 7 days left for a holly holiday. 7 days of the week, a holiday by the creek. 7 days of the week, a holiday by the creek. It is just 7 days left for a holiday. It is just 7 days left for a holiday. 7 days of the week, a holiday by the creek. 7 days of the week, a holiday by the creek.
In this session, now pick a drawing sheet and draw the letter S with the circle forming by yourself or with the help of your parents, like showing on mobile screen. After that, pick bindis. Students, paste bindis to complete the letter S. Then count the numbers of bindis used in letter S. Okay, students? Once you have to count till 7. They start the counting again. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, student? Now, story time. The title of the story is The Chapati Pizza. I am hungry. Shalu is at the food court with her elder sister Naina. Shh, pizza, pizza, pizza. Shalu wants to eat a pizza. Naina has a better idea. She wants Shalu to have a healthy meal. So Naina orders for vegetables, paneer and chapatis. Here is your pizza. Naina opens the chapati and spread paneer and tomato slice on it. Wow! Shalu gets a chapati pizza. She is happy to eat it. It is also healthier than the big round cheesy pizza. Wow, very tasty. So students, eat healthy. Okay students, now goodbye. Have a nice day.